In the political arena, some say Vice President Sara Duterte is clutching at straws by filing a petition with the Supreme Court amid ongoing impeachment hearings. Lawmakers, however, insist it's high time to call a spade, stressing that the process is evidence-based and must move forward without dodging legitimate questions. Vel Custodio reports.
Several lawmakers responded to the petition for certiorari and prohibition filed by the camp of Vice President Sara Duterte before the Supreme Court or SC in connection with the ongoing impeachment proceedings of the House Committee on Justice.
Ang Vice President nagipit sa Supreme Court talaga kumakapit. Confirmed, wala talaga siyang balak harapin itong kaso na kinahaharap niya ngayon dito sa impeachment sa House of Representatives. Kasi alam ni VP Sara, paglabas ng ebidensya, wala na siyang takas.
According to Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya, there is no reason to delay the impeachment process.
Well, sa totoo lang, yung manire si Sara Duterte doon sa kanyang petition sa Supreme Court ay covered na ng mga ginagawa natin dito sa House of Representatives in terms of complying with the Constitution, the House Rules on Impeachment, and even the ruling of the Supreme Court.
Dapat harapin ng Vice Presidente sa halip na takbuhan ang mga lehitimong question kaugnay sa paggamit ng confidential funds, kaugnay sa unexplained wealth at iba pa. Umaasa tayo na ang Korte Suprema ay irespeto ang kapangyarihan ng co-equal branch at ibasura kaagad ang complaint na ito.
Lawmakers also refuted claims that the impeachment proceedings against Vice President are merely a fishing expedition. House Committee on Public Accounts Chairperson and Justice Committee member Terry Ridon said the process is legitimate and evidence-based.
Panlilin lang na naman po ng mga abogado ng ating pong pangalawang Pangulo. Sabi ho nila, pag daw ho sa ilalim ng preliminary investigation ng mga piskal, wala na daw ho pwedeng idagdag ng mga dokumento. Ang piskal, pwede hong mag-issue ng subpoena ad testificandum duces tecum para ho magbigay ng paglilinaw doon po sa mga kaso.
Ridon stressed that it is a constitutional duty of the House to examine the complaints and determine whether there is a probable cause for the impeachment cases. The Vice President's camp, however, clarified the filing of petition before the SC is not an attempt to evade the impeachment proceedings. They said the move is meant to ensure that the House complies with the Constitution. Meanwhile, Manila Regional Trial Court Branch 21 has granted the request of the House Committee on Justice to allow Ramil Madriaga to appear and testify in the impeachment hearings against Vice President Duterte on April 14. According to the House panel, his testimony is crucial in determining probable cause in the impeachment complaints. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.